How to generate images using campaign ideas. Navigate to the Editorial Images tool from the home page. Next, click on Generate Campaign Ideas from Brand Website. This tool helps generate innovative concepts and prompts tailored to your product and brand values. Now, upload your new product by uploading input images of the product. The category and name will be auto-filled. Add your website link, a competitor's website link, or Pinterest mood board link for creative reference. Click Next. Then, choose whether you'd like an editorial or catalog-style shoot. Select your aspect ratio, pick your brand, and click Generate. Your preview will start generating. You'll now see 4 campaign ideas generated for you. Choose the one you like best, or provide feedback in the window to refresh the ideas. Remember, these images are visual representations of what a garment like yours will look like in various settings, and are not the final output. Once you've made your selection, click Generate Preview. 2 images will be generated, which will now be visible in the History section on the right. Once you have an image with a model and background that you like, it's time to introduce your product. Watch our video on how to apply product on an editorial image.